Sin inverse x is x plus half into x cube by 3 plus 1 half into 3 by 4 into x raised to 5 by 5 plus 1 half into 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 x raised to 7 by 7 plus etc. What will be series for cos inverse? What will be the series for cos inverse? What is the relation between sin inverse and cos inverse? Correct. So it will be pi by 2 minus the whole series. Very simple, straight. Series for tan inverse x is x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 7 by 7. What will be series for sin inverse x? If you recall the series for sine and cos, the difference, the same difference is over here. In case of sine series, we had x minus x cube by 3 factorial, whereas in case of sin we had all plus. Now here in case of sin inverse, we have all plus. So obviously in sin inverse it will be x minus half x cube by 3 plus 1 half into 3 by 4 x raised to 5 by 5 minus half into 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 x raised to 7 by 7 etc. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, what is the formula? It is half log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. And so the series will be x plus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 plus x raised to 7 by 7 plus etc. Actually, even if you remember two of them, rest two you can always remember, because if you remember sin inverse and tan inverse, you will always remember sin inverse and tan inverse, and cos inverse is pi by 2 minus. Now why these series are required? Because the next problems that we have, all those problems will have some substitution for x, and we will substitute, and final answer will be, suppose we get something like it is what, say tan inverse of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then we can substitute x equal to tan theta. So it will be tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So ultimately your answer will be tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta, means pi by 4 plus theta. But what is theta? Is tan inverse x. And then you simply write down the series for tan inverse. So it will be pi by 4 plus theta, that is the series for tan inverse. We don't actually find the series as we were doing in the yesterday's case, right? So you will have to simply check what the substitution is, the rest of the job, and of course you will have to know all the formulae of trigonometry. Like the first one, he says, prove that tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon tan x कैसे हो सकता है, upon x equal to half into bracket x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus etc. Next it will be, second, prove that cos inverse of x minus x raised to minus 1 upon x plus x raised to minus 1, rather expand they say. expand this. Third, it is again expand.